Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can blur video background in Capcut. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Capcut app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now tap on the new project button at the top and select your target footage. Once selected, set its length to your preference and then tap on the effects icon. Inside it, navigate to the lens section and select blur. Now adjust its strength and drag it over the whole timeline. Once done, tap on the arrow icon at bottom left side, then select overlay and then select the video again. This time, select it, resize it, and then navigate to the remove background feature. Inside it, select auto removal and let it do its magic. Once done, tap on the share icon at top right corner and the exporting will be started. That's how you can blur video background in Capcut. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.